Thank you for coming, everybody. Year passed so soon. Everybody was asking last couple of months how about MSI. Actually, feel good. We have some problem in the last 2 years, including economic, including the reception, including the product. Last 2 days we have a quarter training for CeBIT and for next quarter. Tell you what, everything getting better and better. Which year, in last year for MSI, I think we can be better, but it's good enough for us. But we can be better each year. Marble, well, you know, sometimes for something there will be some mistake. But later on I will ask it to say something to you guys. There is no question. Notebook. We have a more notebook products coming very, very good. Later on I will ask my PM to show and introduce the product for you. Again, thank you for coming, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you very much for your greeting words to everybody. And we start with our next speaker, Mr. Andreas Stott from Intel. Thank you for being here.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you for inviting us, Henry. And I also want to thank you on behalf of Intel that you came to this press conference. I'm very pleased to see that there is a lot of Intel-based products on the booth, and as Henry said, a year passes by pretty fast. Last year we were talking more about new core. This year we're talking about second generation core. As Henry said, with a few hiccups initially when starting, but it's kicking off very fast. Everybody's excited to see it. And we're excited to have MSI also in the gaming hall over there with some gaming booth and some gaming performance. So we're looking forward to working together with MSI in this show, and we wish MSI all the best for the running of the show. Thank you.
I have some backup. And now I want to introduce Mr. Rick Wong from Microsoft, also great partner of MSI. We're really proud to have you here to help us with our press conference. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. So I'll be short. So I'm very pleased to be here to help MSI introduce all these great new products. They've been a partner of ours for a long, long time. We go way back. They've always been known for great innovation and great quality, uncompromising quality. And so it's great to see all these new products running Windows here today and here for the week. Welcome to all of you, and thank you for being here.
And next speaker, now we're coming to the product part, will be Fred from France. No? I forgot Dein Audio, sorry very much. Wilfried Ehrenholz from Dein Audio, delivering the sound solution for our high-end gaming notebooks, for our F-series notebooks, and it's a really, really successful cooperation we have together with really good success. We had big success. Everybody of here, of course, who ever heard one GT660 was very much impressed, I'm sure.
I'm very glad to meet all of you. Thank you for MSI inviting us to this press conference. I've been very surprised about 2 years ago when MSI contacted us, because it was quite new to me that a computer company is looking for high-end audio, and we are a real high-end specialist. Our cooperation became very successful, and last year we introduced the first notebook with Dein Audio high-end sound. And in the meantime, you can find a lot of reviews all over the world, and maybe some of you have made a very fantastic review about this product. Thank you very much. And I think in the meantime, technology is developing really fast. And in the past, maybe 10, 15 years ago, we had audio, we had video, we had computer, we had internet. Today you cannot divide all these technical areas. And the only way to be successful is if specialists join together. And this is what has happened between Dyn Audio and MSI. Thank you for the cooperation. We are enjoying it and we hope for a great future. Thanks.
Okay, this is not Fred, this is Eric. He will first give us a talk about mainboards and VGA.
Okay, good afternoon everybody. They also asked me to speak 1 minute. It will probably take 20 minutes. I always use a lot of words. So we're going to talk about mainboards and VGA cards. So first, I want to thank you. Actually, thank you. Thank you. I'm not going to give you all a hand, but really, I mean, when we launched the new Sandy Bridge mainboards, the B67 and the A67 mainboards, all you guys, you gave us really good and positive reviews. You really checked the benefits of the MSI mainboards, the power saving, the overclocking, the performance, and yeah, I think here are the results. Then, unfortunately, something happened. Intel, they had a little problem, I think everybody knows, about the 6 series chipset. So, then we had to pause a little bit. So I can now already announce to you, I think, no, yes, very good, that from today on, actually this week on, it's Monday, that we are shipping the new B3 steppings. So the mainboards already arrived in Europe, and I think within 1 to 2 weeks we can expect it in most of the e-tailers, the web shops. So what we did, we renamed all the products, and between brackets we put B3 behind it. So for end users it's really clear how they can distinguish between the old models and the new models. All the rest of the features are exactly the same. So we also have a return program in progress. So all the people who already bought an MSI mainboard, they know how they can return it. Okay, sorry. I think 3.5 years ago, let's say 3 years ago, I already talked to most of you. And then we started with something what's called Dr. Moss. And at that moment I already said, hey, this is going to be big. This is something what others will use as well. This is the future. And now, 2.5 years later, we see that other companies are also using this technology on the P67 mainboards. And we now made the next big step. Second generation military class. I think most of you already know this. Second generation military class is of course the solid caps, the high C caps and the super ferrite chokes. So I'm going to be a little bit more in detail. First of all, the super ferrite chokes. MSI is about power saving, MSI is about performance and overclockability. With the super ferrite chokes, they don't not only give 30% more currency, but at the same time, and this is quite unique, they give also 10% power saving. So this is also why in the P67 generation we are still very power efficient. And that's important for us. Maybe I'm blocking the signal. No. Yes. High C cap. High C cap is a... It's you. Okay. High C caps are also a part of the military class 2 standard. And this is really unique because this is the next generation capacitor. It has a tantalum core, and because of that it can withstand very high temperatures. And this means it also can overclock very high. It's self-repairing, so if it's a little bit damaged, it, let's say, grows back. Later we can talk more in details about it. And this is also one of the parts why the MSI mainboards can overclock so high. Okay, OC Genie. This is what I really like. I think 15 years ago, I was really an expert in overclocking. But nowadays, it's really difficult. So that is why we came up with OC Genie. OC Genie, just with a single push on the button, people can overclock. Everybody can do it, even my girlfriend. I'm better, of course. So, and I think today we're also going to announce the Big Bang Marshall in the new B3 stepping. And the Big Bang Marshall is our high-end flagship, our high-end overclockers mainboard, our high-end gamers mainboard. And this mainboard, I hope you can all see that. This mainboard really has a lot of small features, but these small features make a big difference. On the top, you see the ceasefire. The ceasefire switches make you enable the PCI Express slots. We have a better PWM with dual power input, and the mainboard also have 8 PCI Express lanes, 8 PCI Express slots. So you can run a lot of VGA cards. And personally, I like this one, the XFI audio on there. So this is really for the high-end gamers. I need to this side. Okay. And the new Z68. I think everybody is waiting for this. Will be a new Intel chipset, and this new Intel chipset will combine both overclocking on the GPU, the CPU, and the memory. And at this moment, there's no other mainboard which can do that. No other chipset. So this also has VGA output. And I think on the wall over there, later after the press conference, you can go over there and take pictures and talk with our engineers about it. So we will have 3 models. And at this moment, I cannot tell you when we will introduce them. That is pending NDA. And then I still want to tell you something about our Brazos mainboard. I think everybody knows that AMD introduced some new small APU. It's a combination of a CPU and a GPU. And with this, it's perfect for multimedia solutions. So together with A61, we have a new range of ITX mainboards, special made for the multimedia centers. So at this moment, we are going to ship 4 different Brazos models, and you can also see them here at the wall. So please go have a look. And then something for the future. I think most of you already know that AMD is working on a new core called Bulldozer. This CPU you will see probably later this year, and we are already making our mainboards ready. So in April, we're going to ship our new AMD 800 series, and they will have a black CPU socket. And this black CPU socket, this is that you can recognize that it's compatible with the new AM3 Plus CPUs. So you can run them on this mainboard. Then I'm going to tell you something about VGA. Because VGA, we really have a lot of features, and at this moment we have different segments. I think everybody of you know the reference card. A lot of companies are just putting a sticker on a VGA card and selling it as their brand. We're doing differently. So at the bottom we have our Cyclone coolers. On top of that we have the Twin Frozr 3 cooling. And this one I will talk more in detail. And this is really an advanced thermal design which is very silent and at the same time also cools very good. And then we have the power editions. The power editions we have in Cyclone and the Twin Frozr 3. And they have a special PWM. They have also support for triple overvoltage. So with all these features you can overclock higher. And for the real overclocking freaks, we have the Hawk series. I think everybody knows them. And on top of that, the best of the best, the MSI Lightning. So this year we're introducing the Twin Frozr 3. And the Twin Frozr 3 comes with something special, with a propeller blade fan. And this propeller blade fan we're going to put on all the coolings this year. And it's a small innovation. I think it's difficult to see from here, but the blade has a small tip in it. And because of this, there is 20% more air pressure. And this makes a lot of difference in cooling. And it doesn't add on any sound. So one of the new coolings we're going to introduce in the coming weeks, and this is on a VGA card I cannot talk about because of NDA, this is going to be the Cyclone 2. And the Cyclone 2 also has the propeller blade fan. So I think in a few weeks' time, most of you already know what I'm talking about, you will see this kind of new cooler on the new VGA cards. Twin Frozr 3 series. I like this cooler. It looks very good. It has propeller blade fan, but there's also a nice secret behind it. The 4-in-1 heatsink. It's a metal plate covering the PWM and covering the memory. And because of this, you can also use it when you overclock with liquid nitrogen, when you use a tube. And this ensures that it's really cold together with the super pipes. So really check it out on the booth and talk with our engineers. I think that's very important, that you get to know the story behind our products. And then this year we're going to introduce this year, already in Q1, wow. 3 new Hawk VGA cards. So one is based on ATI, the top one. Then we are going to have one 560, and the last one, I had to remove the name, sorry. I think you know why. This will be in the coming weeks. Okay, and then the Lightning series. Lightning, we already had a lot of VGA cards. And each one after one, they broke the world record. The last one, the 480 Lightning, actually this is from HWBot. All the world records are there. You see top 30, 26 are MSI Lightning. Amazing. And now we're going to introduce the new Lightning VGA cards. So they have the Power 4 architecture, and Power 4 means they have a better PWM, twice the amount of ampere. They have an independent memory power, which memory power is not running via the PCI Express bus, but via independent power connectors. It uses copper MOS, which ensures more current to the GPU and to the memory, and it cools better. And the protolyzers also make sure the power signal is very stable. And it comes with all the other features we have. And I think the best is that we're not going to have one Lightning, but in the coming weeks you will see 2 Lightning VGA cards. And this one, this Lightning, it is really big. Please have a look and take some pictures, because this is really what a VGA card is about. Can I stop? Then I'm going to put it back, thank you. Okay, so this is my part. Now we're going to talk about notebooks and all-in-ones. So Fred?
Thank you. I take the stand because nobody took it. Okay, hello everybody. My name is Fred Oster. I'm the marketing manager in France, and I have to say that when the people in Taiwan ask me to make the presentation today, I see 3 problems. The first one, you already see I'm French, so I'm really sorry for my accent. I hope everybody will try to understand me. The second one, I know I have only 15 minutes. And the third one, I have to pass after Eric that speaks always very long. So I will try to be very brief and present you in only 15 minutes, because I think all of you want to have a drink and see the product close. All the great product MSI have to present you this year. This year is the year 25 for MSI, 25 years of this company. And we are really proud this year to present you a lot of new products, especially regarding gaming, regarding X-Slim product, very slim product, regarding new platform from Intel or from AMD, from tablet, because I think all of you are really excited about those products. So this is what we try to go through right now. As you know, MSI is more and more concentrate on the gaming strategy. Most of you know we are working with one team called Fnatic team. Those guys, they are there. Hey, Fnatic guys, maybe shake the hand. Or they are playing the other side. And we work closely with them to try to propose to the market the best platform for gaming. We already have last year launched the new G series platform, and it will come this year with the new platform GT680 with the new new generation of Core i7. This great notebook features the Dynaudio sound, features also the TDE, which is the overclocking of the GPU, and also comes with the 2 hard drive, can be 2 SSD, and up to 16 gig of the memory. That's why we call it the fastest notebook in the world, because we do some performance tests, and you can see at the right side, and you can watch the product closely, and you will see that we are providing right now the best notebook in the world for the performance. The second part a lot of people last year say, when will come the 17-inch gaming MSI? So I'm really happy to present you right now the new gaming platform, which is the GT780, the ultimate weapon for the gamers. Okay, I will call my best friend, no, Vincent, come here. Yeah, please. Vincent, can you show us a little bit this new baby? Yeah, please. Okay, oh, maybe disconnect it. Okay. And you see this GT780 is the latest platform for the gaming. It comes also with the great NVIDIA graphic card 560, and it's also have the 2 hard drive. It's also come with the Dyno Audio, but most interesting is we co-work with a great company called SteelSeries. I think most of you know SteelSeries for their very good keyboards, and we co-work with SteelSeries to present this great, maybe show like this great keyboard made for the gamers. We work on the keys, and we change the keys, and you see the keys are moved. You know, we change some Windows key on the right side to let the gamers enjoy this secret weapon. We also have you see the colorful, and this colorful is plenty. You can totally change the color by yourself. You can select the 3 zone, which kind of color you want, to play the different game you want, and able to totally touch all the parameters of the keyboard to have the light like you want. You see, this is really a great notebook for the gaming. I think we're gonna really have a great success with this notebook. Thank you, Vincent. I know you like it. Thanks.
It's all made possible really by MSI. We partnered with MSI in 2009, and since then we've been growing in strength. They've given us the opportunity to, as Frederick earlier said, give us some experience and knowledge in the notebook field, and what we've done in return is really give them our knowledge as a professional gamer. So where Frederick discussed about the integrated SteelSeries keyboard, that was input and feedback from all of our players that have used these for many years, and we're delighted that they've listened to us and integrated those into the notebook. Obviously, the GT780 still maintains the power of the previous G-series notebooks. So we've got some other things that are really important to us. So, you know, a 17-inch screen. It's now got USB 3 and a whole range of features that really empower us as gamers, if you like, in esports, to go out there and win. Some great news recently was that we re-signed with MSI earlier this year in January, and we're all very proud and very ecstatic to have that relationship. Hopefully it will grow. Hopefully our input as in the professional scene will assist them in their development of the products such as the GT780 and future releases. We'd all like, well, we have behind here, you can't see it today, we have 2 of our players who will be playing all weekend and over in Hall 23, giving away some great prizes if you can beat them. I'm sure you won't, but if you can come close, we'll still give you the prize. So like I say, Hall 23 and behind here in Hall 17, we're also entering a raffle. So if you pick up a raffle ticket, get it stamped at both sides, and then you can be entered in to win some great prizes, one of which is the H55 GD65 motherboard as well. So some great prizes. I hope you have a great weekend, a great week, and I'd like to once again thank MSI for their support of Fnatic. Thank you.
Just go back one slide before. We also present the GE620, which is also the casual gaming multimedia with a brand new platform. You will see at the right side. And it comes with the Core i7 or Core i5 with the latest NVIDIA graphics and still the exclusive TDE to overclock the GPU. So that's it for the gaming. If it works, maybe this way. Yeah, this way is better. Okay, oh, the slide is not really nice. That's why I ask, okay, come on, sorry. Can you bring me? Okay, MSI is really known for the X-Slim. Everybody of you, maybe you know the X340, X350, X360, the latest X-Slim of the MSI just come here. It's the X460, which is the slimmest Core i7 platform in the world. We will launch it in a few months. You can see the design in here. It comes with a very thin design, less than 1 inch. The weight is less than 2 kilos. It's come with the latest Core i7. The A cover, I mean the cover of the notebook, is come from metal brushed aluminium with a very light and very sexy shape, I will say. And it's a lot of features will be embedded inside this notebook. For example, you can disable the CPU on the go. You can benefits of the USB 3 and much more features. Okay, thank you. Regarding also the classical series, what we call the C series in MSI, we are really proud also to present you the CX640. CX640 is the latest generation using also the Intel CPU, Core i3, Core i5. What is the most interesting of this platform is, one, the design. The design is one of the most stylish you will see. Honestly, take a look at this product, take a picture, you will be impressed by the quality MSI put in this design. No button, except the keyboard, for sure. Very small details regarding, by example, how much the power button light on the side, but also a lot of features, like the timestamp. The timestamp is a brand new feature made by MSI that helps you to back up and restore your notebook in 10 to 20 seconds, maximum. It's very simple, just push a button and you back up and you can restore your notebook. Yeah, I think some people are funny about it. Okay, just come after and we will make a live demo for you. Okay, we speak about the Intel platform, but we also here in CeBIT are very proud to present you a lot of vision AMD Brazos platform. The first platform is CR650. It's not really clear, but the products are there. The CR650 is the 15.6-inch Brazos platform, but we also present, U270, which is the 12-inch netbook, 12-inch, I would say, ultra-mobile platform based on the Brazos. So it comes with DirectX 11, it comes with ultra-long battery life, and I think the most interesting product, which is on this side of the booth, you will discover the X370. X370, okay, the sound is good. X370 is the slimmest AMD Brazos platform in the world. It only weighs 1.3 kilogram, and the thickness of the product is only 1.9 centimeters. So please, just have a look and take some picture about X370, which is really a great notebook as well. Okay, let's speak a little bit about MSI AIO. MSI AIO, we are really proud to present you the full range of new products. It's come from the 19-inch to 24-inch. It comes with the Core i7, Core i5 or Core i3 new generation CPU, but also with vision. So there is plenty of the features inside those notebooks. For example, I just take two examples for you. The first one is supercharger. It's one feature that lets you recharge very fast your smartphone or your MP3 or your tablet through USB on the AIO from MSI. USB 3 performance as well is one of the features. But I also saw we have some features like Smart for Life, which is the application that you can send a video or share the application from all your device. Just have a look. All the products are there, live demo. And one also application that I would like you to see is you have a lot of AIO product around there with a very nice software, which is Outrage, that MSI now bundle in every AIO, and you will see, you will discover you are able to draw perfect like the wheel drawing or wheel painting. Just have fun and go on the AIO booth and you can enjoy this. We also present the new design, which is the MSI AE 2011, which is called Quaria. And it's a very nice, slim LCD design, AIO. Just have a look, it's just behind you. Okay, let's speak about the last subject I think all of you are also interested in, is the MSI tablet. MSI already launched 1 month ago a tablet we call the WinPad 100W, which is an Intel-based platform with the Windows 7 Premium. But now we are really proud today to present you 2 new tablets. The first one, which is the WinPad 110W, is based on the Brazos platform. with the Windows. The platform is really slim, it's very nice, really reactive, DirectX 11 compatible, and it's all with the Windows 7 Premium, which is mean you can put all the software you used to use on your PC, you can put on this tablet. And the second tablet we are very proud to present, maybe you can come to present it, which is our Android tablet based on the Tegra 2, which is called the WinPad 100A. This new tablet is very thin, it's very light, has a very long battery life. It comes with two webcams. You have G sensors, you have GPS, you have plenty of things. So I think it will be one of the stars of the show. Maybe put the other side to show how nice this platform. And you see with brushed aluminum on the back. You will see those tablets on this side of the booth, and I think you will be really impressed by the quality MSI put on this tablet. Maybe turn it back. Okay. I think you like it, huh? Really proud. Okay. Just to finish, also, I just want to introduce you two of the concept PC we present today. I mean, it's just the way MSI try to dig in the market and to see what we can propose you in the future. We propose you two concept products this year. The first one is the dual tablet. In fact, it's two tablets that you can attach together and make it work together. So you can share the tablet, two people, like you and your girlfriend, go away, and coming back home, you can attach the two tablets and make it synchronize and work together. This is one of the concepts we are proposing this year. The second concept that we already show in CES that we present you today is a projector tablet. Is a tablet which comes with a Pico projector that makes you possible to project the image on the wall, or project also the keyboard on the table, and you can type on the table like a keyboard. So this is the second concept we are proposing to you. I think my time is done. Exactly on time, thank you. So it was quite challenging for me to present you. Honestly, I think you will discover more surprise walking around this booth. So I would like, first of all, to be sure, if you have any questions, just come around there. All MSI stuff is there to answer all your questions. So feel free to come and ask any question you want. Okay, have a good night.